Bitter cola has been used many years back to fight varieties of infections from the common cold, malaria, hepatitis and many more. In 2018 researchers showed that bitter cola could help combat coughs, bacterial infections, and some viral infections we didn't think of. Eating bitter cola regularly when an infection occurs may help fight the disease and make you feel better more quickly. The analysis of the results also shows that the benefits we can derive from ingesting bitter cola were rated high for cough, anti-cancer or viral infection and bacterial. Here are the top 9 health benefits of bitter cola. 1. Sexual impotence. If you want improvement in your sexual performance, especially among men, bitter cola nut is beneficial. Bitter cola not only improves sex drive, it also enhances the sexual performance of men who regularly consume it. To be effective, it is good to chew the bitter cola nut for at least 2 minutes before intercourse. 2. Anti-poison. Bitter cola nut health benefits are potent antibiotics with high detoxification abilities. Eating bitter cola will prevent any poison or infection that might occur when you accidentally eat something contaminated by bacteria or poison. 3. Sexual transmitted diseases. The seed and leaf of bitter cola have an antibacterial activity that is good for our health. Researchers recently discovered that bitter cola seed and leaf have the ability to clinically isolate Staphylococcus aureus, Salmonella typhi, Escherichia coli, and Streptococcus pyogenes. 4. Lungs performance improvement. Recently, results from professional researchers in conjunction with several African universities show that bitter cola nut positively impacts the lungs and improves ventilation levels. Extracts of the plant have also been studied concerning asthma, suggesting that bitter cola may have more protective effects against our respiratory disorders. 5. Improve the immunity system. Bitter cola has many amounts of antioxidants. The amount of antioxidants found in the bitter cola tree helps the body increase its immunity level. When the body's immunity level is high, it becomes strong enough to battle against any foreign contaminant. 6. Anti-malaria chemical constituents in bitter cola, according to scientists, have anti-malarial properties. Also, the stem, bark, and seeds of bitter cola are used to treat acute fever, inflammation of the respiratory tract and throat infections. Bitter cola contains the antioxidant iron, which according to research published in the Asian Pacific Journal of Tropical Medicine, shows positive results for anti-malarial properties. Traditional healers have for many years prescribed bitter cola for the treatment of malaria infections, and now, scientific studies are starting to support their beliefs. 7. Bitter cola get antibacterial qualities. Research published in the Science Journal of Microbiology has shown that the bitter cola seeds, stems and leaves have antibacterial properties. Bitter cola was used against Staphylococcus aureus, Streptococcus pyogenes, Salmonella typhi and Escherichia coli, and the plant was able to inhibit these microorganisms. The antibacterial activity was due to the presence such as tannin and saponins. 8. Glaucoma. Glaucoma is a condition of increased pressure within the eyeball, causing a gradual loss of sight. It could result in permanent blindness if left untreated. However, the bitter cola tree is a fantastic remedy for the eye. When bitter cola is eaten at least twice a day, it can successfully reduce eye pressure. 9. With weight loss. Bitter cola is known for being a natural hunger suppressant and a great thirst stimulant, and as such helps to reduce weight loss, as a reduced intake of food and a large intake of water are needed by the body to get rid of excess fat and stay healthy. Drop your comment in this video to learn more about how to use bitter cola to treat any disease and improve your health. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share.